Hello everyone and welcome back to the Python course. Let us start from where we left yesterday. As said, we will be starting with the arithmetic operators and we will be learning it in more detail. So let us start. Clear out this program for right now and we will start with arithmetic operators. Okay, so the basic functions operators we had discussed were plus, then minus, then multiplication, division, then we had floor division, then we had modulus operator. We'll learn some more today. One of them is double backslashes, which is floor division. Then we have double multiplication sign, which is exponents. These two extra operators we will be learning today. Apart from that, we will also be learning some more assignment operators. Assignment operators which we will be learning today: plus equal to, then minus equal to, then we have done equal to this using floor division, exponents. Basically everything we will be having with the assignment operator, all arithmetic operators attached to equal to, and we will be knowing what do they mean. Okay, so this is our agenda for today. Let us start with the first arithmetic operator. So now we have learned in our schools arithmetic operations on integers, but in Python we have arithmetic operations on strings as well. That means letters. Let me show you an example. So first, let us start with arithmetic operator on integer. Let us start with 1. Let us start with 1 plus 2. Command enter. We get 3. Then we will have print 1 plus 2. Now I have specified the parameter single quotes over here. That means this 2 and 1 is a string. These are strings. Let us see what output do we get over here. Let's run the program. 3 and 12. Now you guys might be thinking, why did we get 12 and not 3? So what happens when you add two strings is something known as string concatenation. We will learn about this in detail when we learn some functions with strings. Right now, just understand the concept of string concatenation, that is when you add two strings or more than two strings. We can have more strings like 3 as well. And when we run, it should give us 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This is the concept of string concatenation. Now, how will we multiply the strings? Now, let us say that we want to print hello user 100 times, but typing the same command 100 times is not so productive for a developer. Hence, what we will do, so what does this program state is print this string hello user how many times? 100 times. Let's run this. This is 100 times of hello user. This is another function with strings. Now let us start with the modulus operator. Modulus operator, as learned yesterday, gives the remainder. This gives the remainder to us, and this gives the quotient. Now you might be asking, what is the difference in this floor division and division? Now this will give us the decimal value as well, and this will only give the integer value. Now let us take an example over here. Let us take 5 divided by 2, and then we will be 5 floor divided by 2. Let's run. I'll comment out these statements. so that we only get output which we want. See, the first one, this is the division, and this is floor division. Floor division, only integer came as told, and over here the quotient with the decimal value came. Now let us see the type of this as well. Now let us see the type of this as well. It comes as int. As said, it will be int, because floor division always gives us the integer value. I hope the concept over here was clear. Now let us understand the next operator, the exponent. Now we all know exponent. Exponents, the basic one we have learned is square and cubes. So we will start with square, the basic square of 2, 2 square 2. So if I want cube, I can do 3 over here. If I want 100, 2 raised to 100, I can do 100. So I'll start with square. It's giving me 4. I'll cut this out. Yeah, now it's better. Start from here. Now I hope all the operators are clear to you. But now what are the use of assignment operators over here? We are adding all of the arithmetic operators to it, right? So over here we can also say we have a for loop. So what we do is we always say that let us give values. Okay, let us say a is equal to 2. Now over here we want to square it. So what we will do, a is equal to 2 raised to 2. This is what we'll do, right? And then we'll print a. This is the basic program we always run. Instead of that, a simpler method to this is this operator, the exponents equal to, and then you can write. Now let's run this program. It's giving us the same output. This is just another way of using it, and it's simpler to write as well. Instead of writing a is equal to a raised to 2, instead of this we can directly cut this and write equal to over here. Now for everything we have like this, we have a plus equal to 2. What will happen now? It will add a plus 2, that is 2 plus 2, and give us the answer 4. Then we have a minus equal to 2. This will be 0. Then we have done equal to. We have division. Sorry, we have division. Then we can have floor division as well, but that will be same in this case. We have done the exponents. Let's do the multiplication one. This was the basic assignment operators and arithmetic operators for today's class. Let us make a small program to understand the concept better. Now, in this program, we will take the input from the user and then multiply, divide whatever command the user tells us to do. As we know, the input statement, the print statement as well. So let us take an example right now that we want to multiply. So this is the program for multiplying. Program for multiplying. First, we'll ask for the input. Please specify the number you want multiply. Then we will ask which number do you want to multiply it with. Now over here, remember a thing, we are only asking for the input, but where is the input getting saved? Nowhere, right? So we need to add a variable to it. So we can say n1 for number 1 and then n2 for number 2. Now we are using the assignment operator equal to over here. Now we will have our code in one line and use string concatenation for this purpose. We will say your multiplied the multiplied digit is, and then we'll string concatenate your number, and then we will concatenate n1 into n2. Wait a minute, hold on. In the last class, we knew that always whatever comes in from the terminal or the console is a string. So we saw that we can multiply strings, right? But not in this way. We need to have a constant with it. So what we'll do over here, we will say take int of the string only. That means convert the string from convert the input from string to integer. Now we will learn about how to convert data types further in our classes. This is just for a sample program basis. And so now if we are doing it int over here, we need to convert it to string as well. Back to string after multiplication. Now we'll run the program. We will have 2 into 100 and then we get back multiply digit is 200. Yay, a great success. Hope you like this lecture. Have a nice day ahead. Please do subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.